Where's all the music at? Gotta get them beats going. I'm not away from my keyboard. But Tommy39 is. Thank you for following. Kairang14. Sorry if I said your name wrong. I am absolutely terrible at reading people's usernames. But thanks for following. Welcome to the stream. Let's see here. Dim beats. I have a question for you. In the UK, do you have UK TV? Or is that just like a... Hey rest of the world, here's UK television. Where's music discs now? They're all the way over here? There are a lot more spawn... Whoa. Didn't spawnings used to be somewhere else? I cannot remember, honestly. Right, let's zippy zoomy over here. Let's also get rid of that scoreboard. No. Set display, sidebar. There we go. How you do? Interesting. I was meant to be streaming earlier, but I got distracted and started watching, well, watched a whole episode of Would I Lie to You? Oh, you know what we can do? Ah, that's not what I meant to do. Oh, that's so creepy. Ooh. Walking backwards, but which way am I walking? Look, you wouldn't have a clue. This is so weird. Okay, hello. We can get parrots. I'm on the snapshots, so we can do that. Where on earth are parrots? Dum ba dum, bum ba dum. Hello. No. Cookie. Best friends forever. Ding. Tame an animal. Oh, I thought it'd be like parrots. No, come back here. So if we start... Hang on, I want to do something. I know I'm wasting valuable time, but... Who cares? Okay. It just sounds scary. That's really weird, okay. Yay, new crafting recipes unlocked, huzzah. Time is a resource, don't waste it. Right, let's see here. The first thing we should probably do is actually get the... First one I'm going to update is the sleeping module. Hello, you can stay there. Not because it's broken, but because I've been meaning to update it for a while anyway. And it's probably time I actually just worked on it, do it for 1.12, because I want to just optimize it a lot. There's a lot that can be optimized with this module, and I think it's about time I do it. Now this should be, yep, that's all good. Alright, let's grab you, and while we're here we'll actually disable it. Fantastic. And let's just find some open space somewhere. Over here should do. And paste you there. Huzzah, and we'll also... Oh, it's already disabled. Not a problem. Does this one spawn cows? Oh. Okay, we'll just let that happen, shall we? That'll be alright. I'm sure they'll be fine. Okay. So, gonna basically do this from scratch, I think, but I'll use this as a bit of a reference, just so we can make sure everything is going alright. I think I'll use the same system. I know ISO. I know you can do that. Where is it? This one. But I deliberately had it 25 to make it a bit more balanced. I can't remember why I chose 25. There's actually there's a proper calculation on why it's 25. You're gonna hear me drinking quite a lot because I'm quite thirsty. Why is it 25? There's proper reasoning to why I made it 25. But I can't quite remember. Drink some tea. Now that's just a dummy command block, I'm pretty sure. Okay, now I cannot remember. I coded this. I created this before existence started, so give me a break. I made this for existence, right? Let's see. Scoreboard players tag at a tag equals not sleeping. Add in bed if they are sleeping. Right. I'm gonna do this MCP underscore sleeping just to make it MCP in bed. So basically, I should probably. Oh no, those are just tags, so that won't matter. They don't need to be. Nobody said I was mocking. Just talking about your choice in tea. I don't know. Okay, let's grab some command blocks. Oh. I remember the good old days we used to go give McPeach Pies 137. And that's how you get a command block, but that doesn't work anymore and it's so sad. Okay. MCP sleeping, add MCP in bed, sleeping 1. Okay. Right. Did I put on a stupid accent? I can't remember. Now, I'm going to use that exact same trigger. Scoreboard players tag. Actually, that reminds me, is there anything that needs to be running constantly off this clock? I believe there might be. I believe it's that one right there. You have been bamboozled, my friend. Alright, that's going to be our key command block. You can be chain, get rid of you. So the less blocks running continuously, the better. These are the only ones I believe we need. Scoreboard players enable kick sleeping at A, so that way the trigger is always going to be enabled for everyone. I believe you have to do that, as far as I'm aware. I'm also going to change this to MCP. Scoreboard objectives. Actually, I better do what I'd usually do and record all my objectives in here. Scoreboard objectives, add MCP underscore kick sleeping. Oops. Trigger? Ah, that's it. Cool. And then I need a button. Enable MCP sleeping. In bed. MCP sleeping 1. Cool. Then I'm gonna do my ultimate optimization right here. And go block data. Tilde 1 tilde auto 1b. Cool, and that needs to be conditional chain always active. Bootin. Ugbe in the Agbe. Right, so that should then enable this command block, which needs to be block data tilde auto 0b, so that will quickly send out a pulse along this chain right here. Let's get rid of you guys, like so, and then I need that one to use this, not that one. Oh, hang on, do I? Huh, I've forgotten something. Oh, tag sleeping add in bed, and then I'm gonna go tag add a in bed add sleeping. That's right, I forgot about that one. That can go there. MC. Oh, hang on. No, that needs to be MCP underscore embed. Hey, Miles, thanks for the host, and welcome to the stream. Tag a tag equals MCP embed add MCP sleeping. Now, I believe... I'm trying to remember my actual reasoning behind this. It was something to do with the tell raw message. Hang on, can I just go throw this into command block quickly so I can see it in chat?
Narrator.
Ah!
Narrates all.
How'd I do that? Help! I enabled narrator and I don't know how.
Command set. Say be tell raw adder. Selector. Adder. Tag equals in bed. Text. Is now sleeping. Comma color. Light gray. Text. Cancel. Color. Red. Click event. Action. Run command. Value. Trigger kick sleeping set 1. Hover event. Action. Show text. Value. Text. Extra. Text. Click to cancel.
Is it done? How did I do that? I forgot how to do narrator. I forgot what the command was. How do I turn it off? Hang on, I'm pretty sure they added it into like chat settings.
Narrator. Narrates chat. Narrator. Narrates system. Narrator. Off.
Off. Off. Narrator off. That was funny. I love how it's like, it's Daniel. Oh, I can't do it. I used that. That's my text-to-speech because of when I did Accidental Games as Illuminati. There we go. Oh. That gets me stuck quickly. Oh no, it didn't. Oh gosh, hang on. It's just... There we go. Right, tell selector. Okay, so selector is at a tag equals in bed. So that's saying such and such is now sleeping. Oh, that's right. That is correct. I remember now. I made it select, add a separate tag for when someone's in the bed as opposed to sleeping. So that way, instead of saying everyone is sleeping, it would say just the person who only just got in the bed is sleeping as opposed to saying everyone who currently is. Cool. Righty ho, then. Let's see here. So that should be able to just go onto the end of there, I believe, except I'm going to have to change this to MCP underscore kick sleeping. Oh, that can go away. Tell raw at a selector MCP in bed is now sleeping. Cool, and that needs to be a chain command block that is always active. Okay, let's see here. What comes next? Now this is the one... Huh. I think, I remember when I made this initially, I didn't understand why this worked, but it did. So basically, oh, no. Yeah, I don't understand. So this should always be tagging that. Oh, okay. I apologize in advance. What's going to happen for most of the stream is I'm going to be figuring how I did things out as I go and remembering how things worked as I go. So it's going to be pretty like, oh, that's how I did it. And I'm going to be trying to like explain things that really will make lots of sense to me, but none to you. So I'll be basically talking to myself quite a lot. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do to the bed bot? I am just basically recoding it. It works in 1.2 perfectly fine, but I'm just optimizing it basically and possibly adding some different features. There you go, I couldn't get my drink bottle open. It's just this talking. Talking so much makes me thirsty. Okay, then. So, now the command blocks are perfectly fine. The problem was the installing command blocks. They all broke. So I need you again. This is going to be pretty much the same principle. It's going to have the same function as the current module. You probably wouldn't notice, hopefully you won't notice that much of a difference really. Embed. Oh god. Oh, I can touch type. How do I do it? What's the shortcut? I don't know what this shortcut is. Hang on. Controls. How do I turn narrator on? I thought you could do it in the controls, or did they get rid of that? They must have got rid of that. No, because I did it before anyway. Check.
Narrator. Narrates all.
Okay, we're gonna do this because you told me to. Remove and alright. Okay. So this here was my timer to time. Oh, hang on. Now how am I going to do this? This one is meant to always be counting so that it actually is like a bit of a cooldown before time starts to pass. If I take you... because I actually need this to be running anyway. Oh, I know how we could do it. We just need to grab another chain here and go block data. What's that going to be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Block data tilde -7 tilde tilde 1 auto 1B.
Command set. Block data -7 1 auto 1B.
Hey, you asked for it. Okay, that should work. Let's just try to do a test run or something.
Set the time to 13,000.
Can I please turn it off? Oh gosh, I have to turn this off. There we go. Bed. Okay. None of that worked. Why didn't that work? Let's see here. So, none of that worked. Did I actually enable that? I did. Enable kick trigger sleeping. Scoreboard players tag. Any tag is not NPC. Sleeping 1. That might help, but I think I already did that. Do I have to be in survival or something?
Your game mode has been updated to survival mode.
I can't do it. Go away.
Narrator. Narrates chat. Narrator. Off.
Off. Oh, now it's telling me how to play Minecraft. Why are you not... The data tag does not match formic peach pies. Maybe I have this tag. Remove. No, scoreboard players. Tag, remove. Tag, McPeach Pie. Oh. Scoreboard players. Tag. MC Peach Pies. Remove. I don't have that tag. Okay. So why is this not working? Add embed sleeping 1. Does this one actually still work? Okay, so that works. Scoreboard players tag. Scoreboard. Oh, hang on. Add sleeping. No, that shouldn't matter. That should be still tagging me in bed. Scoreboard players tag in bed. No. That one. Should still be working. Schoolboard players tag. At A, tag equals not sleeping. Add in bed if sleeping is 1B. That's exactly what I have here, is it not? Add MCP sleeping, add sleeping, add in, So, what's the difference here? Is it something to do with this? Data tag does not match from Peach Pies. Schoolboard players tag. MCP embed, add MCP sleeping. That shouldn't matter though, that should still be going off. I tell you what. Let's grab a special guest. Oh no, I might not be able to switch accounts. The login server is offline. I can still do it though. We've got a special guest incoming. Let's just turn everything down. All the settings down. And all the sound off. And then go direct connect. 51048. You guys know someone who streams Dark Souls 3 content or plays any Dark Souls? No I do not. Sorry, but welcome to the stream. 0.0 : and then the port. Join server. Authentication servers are currently down for maintenance. Gosh darn it. Okay. No special guests. Oh, do I have that enabled? I do. So why is this not working? That should be working perfectly fine. Is that even running? It wasn't running. I got that weird bug where you place a repeating command block down doesn't work. There we go. Now it's working. That is a stupid bug. It's been around for so long, ever since like 1.9 came out. It's something to do with placing... must be something to do with placing repeating command blocks with data already in them. Because it just... you have to... I don't know. It's such a pain. Right, so that does work. Okay, cool, but we don't have the like removal stuff, so we'll have to fix that back up. For now, we need to like work through this. Add, remove, MCP bed, MCP removed, and then that does this one. So, let's see here. Schoolboard players add. So I need this one again, and I need you to go... oh, that did work. Fantastic. So you actually need to be a repeating command block. And then that needs to be set to... oh no, I can actually put a command in there, can't I? Oops, that's the port. Did I not copy? Oh no, I put it in the command block. Take you out of there, put you in here. Now, MCP there, underscore, and now this needs to be MCP underscore is sleeping. So now we need to actually go over here and go scoreboard player. We need to add a new scoreboard objectives. Add MCP underscore is sleeping dummy. That should work. Scoreboard objectives set display sidebar MCP underscore is sleeping. And that should be blank for the meantime. Fantastic. Do I have a shrug command? I don't think I do. No, I have dab. Oh. I just realized I have no mods here. Who wants to be a mod? Miles or ISO? I'm going to pick one of you. I don't want everyone to be mods. Okay, so now comes the fun part. Let's just get rid of all of that for a second. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Actually, it reminds me, how do I How do I do all the funny toolbar things? How do I save toolbars and all that? Save toolbar activator, C and X. C. Is it like C1? Oh, I did it. Oh, well that was easy. Okay. Fantastic. Okay, ISO mod. There we go. Right, then. That command block needs to be in here, and I'm going to use the same principle just because 100 divided by 20 is 5. So 5 seconds of sleeping lets you sleep. Execute at a tag equals MCP underscore sleeping, sorry. Now, what I wanted to do here, people always say, whenever I see this module on the server or whatever, on Existence or Game Mode 4, people always say, if more than one person is sleeping, does time go faster? I think it should. But I need to somehow balance this in a way that it's going to be like not too many people. So like if everyone's sleeping goes boom, done. But how can I do this? No, it only does one person. It basically does the closest person. I'm trying to think. Some way I can figure out, like, the amount of people sleeping and then... Or I just do, like... If I do, say, like, count 4... That and then keep like time add 25 the same. Will it still work? Oh, that might pass time instantly because I'm creative. Let's see what happens here. Nothing. I don't have the game. Oh, game rule. Do daylight cycle true. Okay, and he also goes scoreboard players tag peach pies remove MCP underscore sleeping. Yep. Cool. MCB is sleeping is going up pretty quick. So when that hits 100. Oh, we're the only ones online. Oh no. Okay. Oh, it still thinks I'm sleeping. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no. There we go. Okay. This might be interesting to debug. I'm just gonna have to code it all in theory and then test it later, I think. Which will be fun. Okay. So that works though, that's reassuring. Yeah, login servers are still down, but I knew they were going to be down. And they will probably be down for at least another 4 or so, 3 hours. Maybe. Wait, no, it is the 10th. Oh, it's going to be down for like another 12 hours. Oh, goody. Alright. So what do we got next? Now this one here. Execute at a tag equals is sleeping. Oh, sorry, sleeping. Count equals 1. Scoreboard players test daytime. Oh, we got a player, everyone. And we got another variable. Okay. Now, I want to make this a little bit like compatible with one of my modules that I already have made, which will also be updated at some point. Mind you, it's a pretty recent one, so I might not worry about it too much. MCP count time! Yay! And what's P time? Party time! I assume it's player time. Add MCP player time, MCP count time 1. Players test MCP time. Oh. I can't remember what any of this does. I don't remember what P time stood for. P time, count time. Add 16. Oh. Time adjust. Oh my goodness. Oh. Set display. Side by MCP. 24 P time. Player death, player kill, player death, player kill. Is P time a player? Oh, that's a player. MCP. Score to do set display. Sidebar MCP underscore current time. MCP 24-hour time. Oh, of course this module's still running. Hang on. Game rule do daylight cycle true. False, sorry. Set that false. Don't know what the time was when I set that. There we go. So what is MCP underscore P time? That's a player. Count time. I think it was meant to be player time. Deliberately just, yeah, I think it's just player time for the purpose of counting time. Yeah. So CMC time adjust. Yeah, I think it's just a dummy player. I believe. Okay. Run. Where did I make it over here? So I'm basically just gonna go scoreboard objectives add MCP underscore current time, even though it already exists. Dummy. And then I need to go scoreboard objectives players. I think it's player. Oh, sorry. Gosh, doing this completely wrong. Scoreboard players set MCP underscore. We'll call it daytime. MCP current time 0. There we go. Cool. Now we have the current and the daytime, which we'll use for this module. Or should we call it like sleep day? Sleep daytime. Oh, just daytime I think will be fine, to be honest. Right. That'll be fine. So this one, the whole point of this one was to detect when it's the morning, I believe. I think so. So I still want that. Sleeping C equals 1. Scoreboard players test. Now this needs to be underscore daytime, and then it needs to be MCP underscore current time. And now this is my time range between 2300 and 750. I might maybe make that. So what's the leeway there? About 250? That'll be fine. I'm going to stick with that. So basically the whole point of this command here was to test when it's the morning, so that it can then go on to clear the weather and stuff, which we can then optimize again by going conditional. Actually, we'll just do this. Why didn't that work? It did work. Conditional. There we go. Hey, you're hosting me again, and why did you say oh yeah, 240? Stop doing the math for me. I know what the answer is. I made this thing. Drink lots of water, everyone. That's the key to a healthy life. Like, literally, actually. If you drink, like, ever so much water. I read on Twitter that they're going to release those things. D's nuts. Those things, the pre-releases sometime soon. Okay. Now, that should then run another bunch we can disable this now. That is what I'm trying to do, is just optimize. There's water in tea. There is. That's true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Block data. Tilde -5. Tilde. Auto 0B. Close bracket. So what that'll do is stop this clock running. Basically, these should be the only two blocks running forever. Yep. Okay. And now what do we have now, everybody? We have with a rain. So this is how this works. This is how it clears the weather, in case you guys are wondering. Basically, it makes it rain and then stops it raining. I'm looking like at my laptop now as if I was looking to my camera like, there you go. Are you disappointed? But don't be disappointed, because it is actually the most efficient way to randomly generate weather cycles. Wow, I made that sound so much smarter than it really is. Basically, it clears the weather for an unknown amount of time. As opposed to, like, when I first made this module, it cleared the weather for 2 hours. Which meant it basically never rained. Because there is a set weather tick countdown. So at the moment, it's currently trying to rain. I think, unless I have the game rule disabled. I'm not too sure. I can't remember if I do or not. I'm not going to bother finding out. But it's always trying to count down to when it's going to rain. Toggle down full sets that to a random number. Doing like weather clear and then blah, blah, lots of numbers is in seconds. So this is a lot more efficient. What's next? I'm glad you asked. Let's see. We can get rid of those two. It will be detecting when players are not sleeping. This needs to be on a clock again. It needs to be like in here somewhere. I need a master clock. How can I do this? It's not going to matter because everything's going to be moved around anyway. But I do just want to make it nice. Let's see, maybe if we went like clone that and we replace force or something, or was it move? It's move. Okay, and now we make this here 1, 2, 3, and then 1. Then you give it 3 and 1, and go boop 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 boop. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we make this one +3 and across 1. No. Uh-oh. Did I miss something? No, I didn't. It's alright. That needs to be... Oh. Dodoy. That needs to go like this. Great, and then that needs to go -2 across 1. Like so. Great, that's what I need to do. Now we can get rid of all of that. And then take all of this and put them along here. And make this one 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and across 1. Oopsie, did that wrong. 4, cool. So this should be breaking it up into sections, hopefully. Hopefully. What have we got here? Why is that -5? Oh, that needs to turn that one off. So that's actually back 1, and then so it's -1, -1. Like so. Great. And that's doing the weather, so that's going pulse. So we can get rid of all of that now. And that should basically work. That should be fully functional, except for the fact that we can't test it. Now this one needs to be running off a master clock as well. So we need to actually take this command, and what this will do is basically testing if somebody who was sleeping is no longer sleeping. So players tag at A, tag is sleeping, add not sleeping if they are not sleeping when sleeping is 0B. Cool. Now we need a blank command block there, which is going to be very similar to that. It's going to go... That is positive, isn't it? It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that just 4 and 4? Oh, hang on. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. It is negative 4, 4. Block data minus 4, tilde, tilde minus 4. Oh no, it's positive 4, isn't it? Yep, positive 4. Auto 1B. And then here, block data, tilde, tilde, tilde. Auto 0B. Oops. Cool. I'm actually going to quickly grab some signs and label everything here. So this can be master. Actually, get these by his barrier. Boop, 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 boop. Master. Actually, no, I'll tell you what I like to do. I like to do it like this. Get rid of all this nonsense. And then put them on here. Doesn't look nice. Okay, what's this one? Detect sleeping. Detect sleep. I'll call it sleeper. If I can spell it right. What's this one? Progress. Night. And this is the clear weather. Clear weather. And then what's this one? Reset sleeper. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Get rid of you for now, and you can go to... So what's this one? Ah. That's what I need to put here. Isn't it? No, I've already got that one over here, don't I? Not sleeping... Yeah. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Now, we can basically... We should be able to just copy all of these. Ah, I'm going to need that block there too, of course. You can just get thrown on the end there. Except we want to get rid of you entirely, actually. And make you a new one. And then we want to go... Stats. Oh gosh. Now we're going to be testing my command block knowledge. Block. That block. Set. Query result. Oh goodness me. Is a query result. I'm trying to remember there's something you have to do after this. Stats block. Set. Selector objective. Ah, okay. And then it's query result. Selector is the person, which is MCP underscore daytime. And the objective is MCP current time. Oh, there we go. Fantastic. Oh, I'm so glad I remembered that. I'm actually going to take that command and throw you on here. Just so I don't forget it. Cool. Right. Where was I? Give me a drink. So, all we should have to do is basically copy these 3 command blocks. I hope. So, players tag equals not sleeping, remove sleeping. Cool, and then reset NCP not sleeping is sleeping. So that resets their score, and then this should remove it. Cool. Not sleeping. Fantastic. That should be as simple as that, I hope. And what have we got left to do? Execute and hey. Tails sleeping. Tell raw. At 8. Kicks it sleeping. I know what we need to do here. Bit of optimization. Possibly go test for at a, sorry, just that. I think. I'll tell you what, this can actually be put on this one. Yeah. Because this only needs to be running when someone's sleeping. So what we can actually do is or however though, if they like click that when it's daytime, then it might cause some problems if it doesn't like reset it straight away. No, I'm going to keep it on the main clock. I'm going to keep it on here. Yep, I think this will be best because then we can not cause any problems. Okay. Now, you need to be conditional, and we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, block data tilde minus 7 tilde 5 auto 1b. And then same, copy that one. So this one is kick sleeper. Righty ho. So this will be hopefully as simple as last time when we just got to go boop, 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 and then boop. And I think that should be it actually. It should be as simple as that. Let's see. We just got to go and change all these. Oh, hang on, we can just do this. Yeah, okay. Now this will work. We can use 1.12 mechanics. Woo, fancy. Okay, so this is going to execute as all players. Oh, sorry, one person who's sleeping. Yep, tell raw the person who clicked kick. Kicked. Selector. Now this can be changed to at S. No, it can't. I need that to be because I need it to be all players, yeah. Tag equals MCP underscore sleeping. I believe, yeah. Because it needs to do everyone, not just that one person. That should be perfectly fine. Out of bed. How rude. I should add that. How rude at the end. And then execute. Kicked sleeping. Tell raw the people who are sleeping. Text kicked out of bed by... Now this can be at S. Without a problem. Kicked out of bed by the person who is telling them that. And this one is the one that kicks them out of bed. So basically the way this kicks people out of bed is it gives them a little bit of damage. So to compensate, I add a little bit of resistance, just in case. Kick bed, NCP. Sleeping. And then same with this one, MCP underscore sleeping. MCP underscore sleeping. Actually, I tell you what, we should be able to get rid of all that now. And just add that. We don't need all this fancy dancy execute stuff because it's only going to run when someone clicks the cancel button, hopefully. So we should in theory be able to get rid of all this too. Except we've got to replace that at S with this. Let's see, change that back to that. And the same with this, I think. Oh no. No, that needs to be the same. That still needs to be execute. Oh, does it? Tell raw, person who clicks sleeping. Oh no, that can be that. Don't need that execute. Hope. Effect. And then score players set at A. MCP underscore kick sleeping 0. Right. That should be it. That should be it done. Now I just need to test it. Look how many more command blocks there are. I feel like there's more than there was in the last build. I think. What's this hole? I have no idea. Oh, this was an old schematic I had here. There used to be a game arena there, but I removed them because I can't remember why. They looked ugly. Okay, how do we test this now? If we can't log in. Do I have to play offline or something? Not sure if I can test it, but to be honest, I think I need to go to bed too, because it is around my bedtime. And get rid of that one too. What's that one? That's the enable one. Let's just double check. What does this one do? So that's one we've just added on the end of there. So now the only command blocks we have running are, in fact... Let's just make that green. It would make a lot more sense if that was green. Okay. That one, we can't put that there. I can fix this. Boop, 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 boop. There we go, and then we get rid of all those. Right, back onto task. What were we doing? We were going, that one's running, that one's running, that one's running, that one's running, that one's running. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as opposed to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've removed like 4 command blocks. Okay. But to be honest, I do not know the full mechanics of chain command blocks. Like, I don't know if that one's always running. That might be always checking that one. So in this sense, we've gone from like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've managed to stop 11 command blocks executing, which I think is pretty half decent. Now if we go X1, oh, we got our command blocks back. Fantastic. I don't know the full mechanics behind chain command blocks. I feel like these ones would still technically be running because they're going to be checking that one. But I'll tell you what we can do. We can actually do this, and it will help. It actually will help with lag. Because I want to make these as optimal as possible. Did that say unknown command? It might have just been from when we had a blank command block in there. Yeah, same with that one. Alright. Get rid of all that now. Ooh, right. That'll do it, donkey. I think. I just need to test it now, but I can't do that at the moment. I'm gonna have to wait till like tomorrow. Okay. I mean, I could try logging again, but I don't think it'll work. Let's find out here. Login server is down. Still. Unless I start a localhost server. No, to be honest, this is the exact same mechanic, and it's still... Oh no, I can start a localhost server and offline. Yeah, I could do that, but I'm not going to worry about it. Alright, 0.0.0.0 : what was the IP? I have no idea what the... I have no idea what the port was. Okay, I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to head off now, but thank you everyone who came to the stream. I'm going to be doing a lot of these just spontaneous or chillaxed command block streams over the next few weeks as I update all my modules. And eventually start work on World Border PvP version 3, which will, if everything goes to plan, be a complete recode and a complete overhaul of the whole concept, which is going to be a big project. So for now, I'm going to start off small, get the sleeping module done, get that ready to go and optimized, and hopefully get the installing process a lot different. Yes, we can raid. But yeah, so that will do it for now. Thank you guys for popping by. Thank you, my friend Miles and ISO, for the host. Let's see here. Can we see? Let's see. I am following Kai Hicks. Kai Hicks? I assume it's Kai Hicks. Let's raid them. Does my raid command work? It does. Thank you all for following and liking, subscribing. Leave a comment, smash that like button, and wear your seatbelt. Thank you all for coming. I'll see you next time.